Let's get seated for the first lesson.
Our first lesson for today service shall be found in the book of Daniel, chapter 4, from verse 19 to 33. Our first lesson for today shall be found in the book of Daniel, chapter 4, taken from verse 19 to 33. Daniel chapter 4, 19 to 33. If I read. Then Daniel, whose name was Belshazzar, was astonished for 1 hour, and his thoughts troubled him. The king spake and said, Belshazzar, let no dream or the interpretation thereof trouble thee. Belshazzar answered and said, My lord, the dream to be to them that ate thee, and the interpretation therefore to thine enemies. The tree that thou sawest, which grew and was strong, whose height reached unto the heaven, and the sides thereof to all the earth. 21. Whose leaves were fair, and the fruit thereof much, and in it was meat for all, under which the beasts of the field dwelt, and upon whose branch the fowls of the heaven had their habitation. It is thou, O king, that art grown and become strong, for thy greatness is grown and reached unto heaven, and thy dominion to the end of the earth. And whereas the king saw a watcher and an holy one coming down from heaven, and saying, You, decree down and destroy it, yet leave the stump of the roots thereof in the earth, even with a band of iron and brass in the tender grass of the field, and let it be wet with the dew of heaven, and let his portion be with the beasts of the field, till 7 times pass over him. Verse 24. This is the interpretation, O king, and this is the decree of the Most High, which is come upon my lord the king, that they shall drive thee from men, and thy dwelling shall be with the beasts of the field, and they shall make thee to eat grass as oxen, and they shall wet thee with the dew of heaven, and 7 times shall pass over thee, till thou know that the Most High ruleth in the kingdom of men, and giveth it to whosoever he will. Verse 26. And whereas they commanded to leave the stump of the tree roots, the kingdom shall be sure unto thee. After that thou shalt have known that the heavens do rule. Whereof, O king, let my counsel be accepted unto thee, and break of thy sins by righteousness, and thine iniquities by shewing mercy to the poor, if it may be a lengthening of tranquility. Verse 28. All this came upon the king Nebuchadnezzar. At the end of 12 months, he walked in the palace of the kingdom of Babylon. Verse 30. The king spake and said, Is not this great Babylon that I have built by the might of my power, and for the honor of my majesty? Verse 31. While the word was in the king's mouth, there fell a voice from heaven, saying, O king Nebuchadnezzar, to thee it is spoken, the kingdom is departed from thee, and they shall drive thee from men, and thy dwelling shall be with the beasts of the field. They shall make thee to eat grass as oxen, and 7 times shall pass over thee, until thou know that the Most High ruleth in the kingdom of men, and giveth it to whomsoever he will. That's the last verse. The same hour was the thing fulfilled upon Nebuchadnezzar, and he was driven from men, and did eat grass as oxen, and his body was wet with the dew of heaven, till his ears were grown like eagles. eagle's feathers, and his nail like bird's claw. This end the reading of the first lesson. May the Lord bless his holy word.
Glory be to the Father, to the Son,